Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Thank you for subscribing to my channel where we always inform you of the latest techniques in dental, educate you as well. Today I've got Piper with me, the therapy dog. Say hi, Piper. Say hi. Hi. And we've got our patient here, and this is an interesting veneer case because we only did 2 veneers. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Take a look at the patient's mouth. His main complaint was his laterals, which are tooth number 7 and 10, are behind, further back than the other teeth. You can see his 2 front teeth are perfect alignment, but these teeth are small and they need to be built out. So what we're going to do are 2 veneers, just 2 veneers to build out these 2 teeth and totally change his smile. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the patient's teeth. You ready, Piper? Okay. So your main complaint was the fact that your 2 laterals were just not in alignment with your other teeth, correct?
Yeah, correct. They're just a little smaller than the other ones, and I was relatively content with the at least alignment of the other teeth, so I just wanted to get those fixed.
Were you surprised that we could just do 2 veneers?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, and then we also altered his gum tissue. So we're going to go ahead and place them in, and we'll be back and let you show the end results. Okay, first thing we're going to do, go ahead and open. Now he's not numb, he's not going to feel anything. We're going to apply our etchant. And this is what we're going to do to apply to the tooth. Some plastic strips, please. This is how the veneer is bonded onto the tooth. And we're going to rinse this off. You okay, patient? And this is painless. And then we'll put our next step on. And this is another type of material, liquid, that we're going to use to place these veneers on with. We'll wait 10 seconds, we'll air dry. And this is how the veneer is actually bonded to the surface of the tooth for strength. And believe it or not, they are very strong and they don't come off. Now we'll do the second step, bonding material. And this is actually light cured. So we'll light cure this. And the curing actually sets the material. So now we're going to place the veneers on. Now we placed this one on, and now we're going to place this one on. We use a special suction device to make sure it goes in perfectly. And now we're going to tack it with a light. You can see the color, it looks great. Let me just check and make sure it's seated all the way with the mirror. And it is, and so let's go ahead and tack it with the light. And this way, this ensures that it is seated correctly. Okay, now we placed both of them in. You can see they look really good. And so now we're going to go ahead and double check everything and then final cure. Okay, so now we've got Piper, myself, and we're going to check out your new smile. Are you ready?
Ready.
You've been waiting for this for a long time?
Yes, a long time.
Okay, so turn that mirror over.
Wow, this is, I can't even tell. Yeah, the color is perfect. You can tell.
They look really good. How's the bite? The bite feel
Yeah,
good?
the bite feels
So go
very
ahead
natural.
and did you ever think that maybe just 2 veneers would totally change your smile?
No, I thought I would have to at least get 4, maybe even 6.
Yeah.
Just to make it look very natural, but the 2 works just fine.
Perfect. Are you happy?
Very happy.
High five. So let's go ahead and look in the camera and let's zoom in again, folks. This is a really, really nice result.
Yeah, I really like the smile.
Okay, Okay, so this is Dr. Terri Alani and Piper, the Texas Tooth Lady, and we really thank you for joining our channel. Thanks again. Right, Pipes?